Hello dear viewers, you are on the Home Tips channel, and today I will show you why you need to apply toothpaste to laundry soap. You will definitely like the result, because you will no longer have to buy expensive cleaning chemicals, which also often have a strong smell, in the store. Take a bowl and pour 100 milliliters of boiling water. My kettle just boiled. The next thing we will use is laundry soap. You need the most common brown laundry soap, which says 72%. If you have liquid laundry soap, then it is better to use it. I add 2 tablespoons to the water. If you don't have liquid laundry soap, then take a bar of soap, grate it on a fine grater, and melt it in a water bath. Then add 2 tablespoons to the water in exactly the same way. Toothpaste, as you know, is an indispensable assistant in cleaning because it perfectly cleans and polishes surfaces, and for this cleaning agent it will also be needed. You can use absolutely any toothpaste. As you can see, I had a small amount left in each tube, so I decided to use them. By the way, you don't need to throw away empty toothpaste tubes. I explained why in detail in a separate video. I will leave a link to it in the tip at the top right and in the description. Another ingredient we will need is baking soda. I add 1 tablespoon to the mixture and mix everything well. There are many uses for baking soda. Now the tooltip will contain a link to a video where I showed some of its uses. This is the cleaning agent that we get. Let me show you where and what it can be used for. It doesn't matter whether you have a bathtub or a shower stall, because soaps, scum, dead skin cells and various impurities that are in the water always accumulate at the bottom. And all of this usually covers the surface of the bathtub with a grey-red coating. The cleaning product we made will easily deal with all this dirt. Take a little cleaning product with the soft side of a damp sponge, and you can start cleaning the bathtub or shower. The product foams very well, cleans all dirt perfectly, has no strong smell, and smells quite pleasantly of mint. I have a minty smell because I took mint toothpaste. Your smell may be different. If you have hard water and lime scale quickly accumulates on your bathroom tiles or shower glass, then I recommend adding dishwashing liquid to the vinegar. For more information on how to do this, watch the video that appeared in the tip, and I will leave a link in the description. After cleaning, rinse the bathtub with cool water, and you will see that it has become snow white again. If you have rusty stains or hot water deposits on the surface of the bathtub, you need to use a citric acid based product. Look for a link to the video in the description. In the kitchen, this product is also an indispensable assistant. I always wipe the sink after washing dishes, but as you can see, grease and plaque still remain on it. Plus, the surface of my kitchen sink is not smooth, and dirt also gets stuck in the pattern. I will use this sponge scraper. Wet it under cool water. Take some cleaning agent and start cleaning the kitchen sink. What else can be cleaned with the cleaning product we just made? In the bathroom, this is the sink and toilet. Clean the sink in the same way I just cleaned the bathtub, and pour a little into the toilet, distribute it with a toilet brush, and in 5 minutes you can clean. Freshness and cleanliness are guaranteed. In the kitchen, this product can be used to clean the stove and tiles if you need to clean them from stickiness and greasy splashes. It can also be used to clean kitchen cabinets from grease, stickiness and other dirt, but if you have glossy facades, then you do not need to use this product. Look how well the product foams and how well it pushes dirt out of all the cracks. I rinse the sink with running water, and now let's see the result. Just look at this gorgeous result. Everything is shiny and sparkling. No grease, no dirt. Everything is clean. So my friends, if you also want to clean everything to a shine in your home, use toothpaste with laundry soap. If you liked these tips, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.